In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter Form 1099 DIV for dividend distributions in TurboTax for the 2024 tax year. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently input this information without any hassle. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official TurboTax website. You'll want to ensure you're on the right page to smoothly progress through the steps. Once you're on the site, look for the Sign In button. This is typically situated at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, you can quickly log in and navigate to the TurboTax home screen. Now that you're on the TurboTax homepage, your next step is to click on Federal. This section is where you'll find all the necessary components related to federal tax filings. Once you've selected Federal, you're moving in the right direction. In the Federal section, look for the Wages and Income tab. Clicking here will take you into a menu that includes various income sources. This is where we're going to enter the details from your Form 1099 DIV. Now in the search box you'll see on your screen, start typing 1099. This will help narrow down and point you to where you can enter your dividend information. TurboTax will likely auto-suggest options as you type, making it easy for you to proceed without manually searching through endless lists. The next part involves selecting self-employment. Although primarily used for those filing self-employment taxes, this step interlinks with entering the 1099 DIV form information. So go ahead and click on it. Rest assured, TurboTax is designed to accommodate various tax input methods. Hence why navigating through different menus may seem involved, but is quite systematic in approach. Finally, you'll see an option to click on Start. By clicking on Start, you're initiating the process of entering your dividend distribution details captured on the 1099 DIV form into your TurboTax profile. From there, follow the on-screen prompts which will guide you through the specifics such as entering your payer's information, amounts, and anything else prompted by TurboTax to ensure accurate reflection of your earned dividends. By following these steps, you've efficiently entered your 1099 DIV form information in TurboTax for the 2024 tax year. Not only does this wrap up our guide, but also sets you up for a stress-free tax filing experience. Thank you for joining me today, and here's to smooth sailing when filing your taxes.